In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels, a tutorial perfect for beginners looking to get organized with their emails. Let's dive right in and simplify your inbox management. First, open up your Gmail and log into your account as usual. This is where it all starts, so make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Now, as you navigate to the left side of your Gmail screen, look for the option labeled More. Click on it to expand the list, and then you'll see the option to Create New Label. This is where you can start categorizing your emails into different slots that make sense for you. Next, let's give your label a meaningful name. Think about what categories might help you. You might consider names like work, receipts, or simsati, or simply family to keep personal messages under control. The goal here is to make it as intuitive as possible for you to find and file your emails. After naming your label, go ahead and click Create to set it up. Once your label is created, it's time to start organizing your emails. You'll need to choose an email to categorize. Simply check the box next to an email that you'd like to label. With that done, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on this, then select Label As. A list of your labels will appear, allowing you to click on the label you just created to categorize the email. If you want to glance at all the emails under a particular label, it's super easy. Just return to the left sidebar and click on the label you're interested in. All emails associated with that label will now be displayed in a tidy list, making it easy to find everything you've organized. Now, for a touch of personalization and added convenience, you might want to add colors to your labels. To do this, hover over a label on the left panel, then click on the 3 dots that appear next to it. Choose label color, and either pick one of the colors displayed or customize a new color that suits your style and needs. This visual differentiation can significantly aid in quickly navigating through your labels. To fine-tune your label settings, head over to the main settings by clicking on Settings and then selecting See All Settings. Navigate to the Labels tab. This is a powerful area where you can show or hide labels in the sidebar as needed, edit or delete existing labels, and control their visibility in messages. These options allow for an extra degree of customization to suit how you want your Gmail to look and behave. And there you have it, a complete guide to using Gmail labels for keeping your inbox under control. Practice these steps and in no time you'll have a beautifully organized inbox that meets your organizational needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.